Got any man advice for today?
Get in the ambulance first.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Uh-oh, upload canceled.
Still recording.
No, is it? Yeah. Get in the ambulance first. Take the ride. You won't end up with a
Broken leg.
with the body jewelry.
Oh, look at that, people! You want to share that?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah. I'm not. You can't defend yourself in Baldwin County against a woman.
Hey, just be glad to be on the job. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm happy to be working, man.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's the
We're
gist
glad you're
of.
back, man.
Thank you, buddy. It's good seeing everybody. It's good being out here in this fresh air.
Yeah,
It's a beautiful day.
Hell yeah.
You guys are doing a rock solid ass job.
that's what I'm talking about.
It looks ridiculous.
Water, laying, blocking water.
Shane, you got any advice for the working man?
Say my backyard,
No?
as if I want a little wall right there.
Yeah. Oh,
You can do that? Yeah.
especially if it's stack stone.
Ask for a raise. Things like out in the yard.
Hey, what's your name?
Ed.
Ed.
Why?
Yeah,
There's a camera behind with a microphone.
It's-
He's a
it's on YouTube.
He's a YouTuber.
Okay.
He's like,
what kind of work do you usually do, Ed?
what'd you do last
Brick
week?
mason's tender.
Okay,
Carpentry work, framing.
that's what I'm talking about. Anyway, that's the working crew today, people.
Yeah, it's weird at first, but you get used to it.
Y'all stay tuned.
Yeah. That's his
We're taking lunch.
Yeah.
Anything to say, Charles, the boss?
I mean, sometimes employees just need to pick up the pace.
There we go, people. I know he's talking